All right, guys, a good customer of ours just brought in his GTR. We're not doing anything to it. It's already all done. He just bought it out of Canada. As you guys can see, it's really beautiful. It's a 2013. So it has a custom system out of Canada. It's called Boost Theory. See it right there? It's full downpipes, flex pipes, and all the way back. It's 4-inch in the middle, 3-inch inlets right there, flex pipes, down pipes, and then a 4-inch system all the way back. And then it's got a muffler under here. I know you guys can't see it, I'm sorry, but it's under there. And then it comes out to quad tips that are 5-inch in diameter on each side, just massive. There and right there. He's gonna do a E85 swap on it, fuel system, so it's gonna be crazy when it's done. So I said, we'll get you guys a video out of it, let you guys hear it before he does all that to it. But there it is. Boost Theory system. All the way back on a GTR 2013. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. So it's still got the Y pipe, still got the factory intermediate pipe. And this is the muffler delete we did. There. 1 and 2 right there, as you guys can see. So now it's got a muffler delete on it. That's how you do them on these GTRs. Right there. There's the stock mufflers we cut off. Right there. And we left everything else existing like normal, like nothing ever happened. But you just get the sound and performance. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. GTR muffler delete. Straight pipe. It's clean sound. Beautiful. Here's sound decibels on it, guys. Again. Right at 113, and he's about 4,000 RPM. Go ahead and back it out. You can hear it. Really beautiful. Enjoy, guys. Let you guys hear on the inside. Much better. Yeah, 122. So good. It's got custom wheels. It's really beautiful all the way around. Let you guys hear on the inside. We get a lot of that, guys, especially being in an exhaust shop. Every car we've done, they always rev it when they get close to us. Enjoy, guys. guys. A little taste. GTR! Nissan. This look really cool on it. Here it is at idle. That was awesome. Look at those screech marks. Love it. Enjoy, guys.